In today's video, I will teach you how to remove objects from a photo using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click on File in the top left corner, and select Open to open your image from your device. Now we're going to access the Magic Cut tool. With your image layer selected, go to Select in the top menu, then choose Magic Cut from the drop-down menu. The workspace consists of two sides. The left side is where you paint over the image, and the right side shows the result of your painting. At the top, you can choose the brush size and color. Green for the foreground or the object that you want to keep, then red for the background or the area that you want to remove, then gray to erase any markings. Now use the green brush to paint over the object that you want to keep. Then use the red brush to paint over the background or the object that you want to remove. If you made a mistake, you can use the gray brush to erase the markings. You can also zoom in to specific areas using the mouse wheel or by pressing Ctrl+ or - on your keyboard. You can also move the image by holding the spacebar and dragging, or by dragging the preview image on the right side. By default, the border value is set to 0, which creates hard edges between the foreground and the background. Gradually increase the border value to soften the edges. This is especially useful for objects with hair or fur. A border value of 20 or more may be necessary for such details. And you can also start with a 0 border to determine the initial result, then increase as needed. And when the result on the right looks good, press OK at the top to confirm the selection. And to save the image with a transparent background, simply click on File in the top menu, then select Export As, then click Save. And if you want to add a new background before saving, simply click on File, then select Open and Replace to add a new background image. Then resize and reposition the new background layer as needed. Then save the image as JPEG or another desired file format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.